Hi guys, so today's video is going to be a big PR unboxing. I have what seems like an unusually large amount of boxes this week. I don't know if it's like, dare I say it, new fall launches coming out or like back to school campaigns or what's going on. I guess we will find out when we open them, but yeah, a lot of stuff. I'm not sure I'll be able to open every single one in this video because honestly that would be a really long video, but we're just gonna check it out and see what is new in the makeup world. If you guys happen to notice I'm not wearing my wedding ring or my wedding band, it is because I am now 29 weeks pregnant. I'm in my 3rd trimester and they just do not fit on my fingers anymore. My hands are getting too big and swollen to fit my rings. So I've actually gained 30, I was gonna say like 38 pounds, girl, I gained like 40 pounds. They told me that I'm over the limit of like what the recommended weight gain is for a full-term pregnancy, and I still have like 11 weeks to go. So I'm supposed to cut back on the ice cream and the sweets. Or I might end up with an unusually large child. However, I eat pretty dang healthy most of the time. So I was a big baby, Josh was a big baby, we were both over 9 pounds. So I think I'm working with a big baby regardless. But yeah, so basically that's why I can't fit my rings on my finger, because I'm too large. I'm too large. So that is what is happening in babyland this week. I have a whole hamper, like actually a clothes basket of boxes here next to me to open. Why don't we just go ahead and jump on into the packages. So this first one is from J-Cat Beauty. This is actually a foundation. The Aqua Assurance Compact Foundation. Aquasurance. Oh, I get it, like insurance. Aquasurance. Okay, I get it. I get it, it takes me a minute. So it is a new foundation. There are 8 shades and here are the color swatches. They sent me 3 of them. This is the shade Ivory and it's saying it is $13.99. It was available August 1st. So this is actually, it's just a lot going on here. It has a moisture lock system. Even though it is a powder, it's supposed to lock in the moisture in your skin. It's supposed to reduce the appearance of pores and balance out oil. So this is actually pretty interesting. It's saying that it is medium to full coverage. You can use this sponge either wet or dry to apply the product. It is a powder product. It's supposed to be a very finely milled powder, and like it does seem very finely milled, and it seems nice when I apply it to the back of my hand. We will have to test this out. I'm actually really interested to try this. So Becca sent this one over. It says Endless Summer Glow. This is created in collaboration with Chrissy Teigen. You have this, let me shake it up. Glow Body Oil. The Endless Bronze and Glow. It's cute, it's like a little sunrise design, and the sand is the bronzer. It's actually a really nice shade there. Those colors are actually really pretty together. This one, the blush is just like a nice glowy peach color. And then I have been enjoying trying out the Becca lip glosses. They recently sent me them. I don't know if they were new or they just sent them to me, but I do really like them. So there are 3 colors in the glow glosses in this collection. This one is Beach Bum, which is a really pretty nude. That's gorgeous. Oh, these smell like peppermint. They smell so good. This one is Malibu Soleil. And then this one is a Beach Nectar, a little more sheer. It's like a shimmery berry tone. I feel like these are really well suited too for like deeper, medium to deeper skin tones. Covergirl sent over this super summery package, which I am like, yes, Covergirl, thank you. Can we keep summer going a little bit longer, please? So this is for their new mascara, which I saw on TV and I was so excited to try. It comes with the Lash Blast Amplify Primer, which has a conditioning formula with argan jojoba, is that how you say it? And coconut oil. So that is the primer. And then this one I wanted to try so bad. This is the Flourish by Lash Blast Mascara, and it has luscious ingredients like papaya, avocado, and coconut oil. So this one is actually sent from a PR company. This is 2 new shades from Desi. Oh, this is from their new Mercury in Retrograde collection, which I hear people saying that all the time. I have no idea what that even means. But these colors are crazy. I know it means like you have bad luck or bad things happen or something like that when Mercury is in retrograde, but as to what that actually means, I have no idea. So these are super, super shimmery and incredible looking. I feel like my camera isn't even doing these justice. This one is called Keep Calm, and then the darker one is called And Mercury On. So I actually just put on a pair of Salon Perfect Lashes for the first time in a very long time today, and I just got a little package from them. It's kind of a big package actually. Ooh. Okay, so this is a brow collection. I'm just gonna rest it on my shoulder here. This is in collaboration with Desi Cash. These are called On Point Tri-Tip Brow Markers. So it makes sort of a triple line that's supposed to resemble brow hairs. And then over here is the Don't Budge Waterproof Brow Stain. Get it? So I'm guessing that's kind of interesting. So this is like a brow stain, sort of probably applied similarly to a brow pomade. So that is a really interesting product. I'm definitely curious to try out that brow marker. I was testing a product similar to that out on my godmother the other day, and it was a little, like the one that she had was a little harsh. So I wonder if this one will be a little bit lighter and more natural. This is one from Maybelline, and I did see this on TV recently as well, I think yesterday or today, and I was like, oh, ooh, a new lip line. That is so exciting. This video really shows how much TV I do watch. Quite a bit. So these are the new Shine Compulsion by Color Sensational. So these are supposed to hydrate your lips while delivering saturated color and irresistible shine. So right off the bat, I'm definitely loving this pink mirrored packaging a lot. And this is the first shade I pulled out. This is called Baddest Beige. Smells really good. Smells like the other Maybelline lip products. Sort of a sweeter scent. So it's kind of hard to get the true feel because I applied this over another lipstick, but I feel like this is going to be more of a pigmented type of formula, so it's not just like a sheer shiny situation. So this is that first color that I tried on. I have to say I really like that shade. I like it, but I can see this being a little melty, especially in the hot summer months. Just using it a few times, it got a little melty on me, the actual stick of lipstick. So I feel like these are pretty nice, you guys, as far as just swatching them on my arm so far. I feel like they are very, very color saturated. They're very pigmented. The two I had to build up a little bit more were these two more reddish shades. I think this one is Pink Fetish and this one is Scarlet Flame. So you could kind of see through those a little bit more. I had to build them up. And then the other ones were super, super pigmented. It's not going to give you the kind of opaque color payoff like a liquid lipstick or something like that. But I mean, for a super shiny, like more juicier look, it's going to give you a lot of color. And I don't know. I like these. I think this is a nice addition to the Maybelline fam. Okay, so now we're going to take it all off. And after we open the Maybelline lip products, L'Oreal is just clapping right back with this Infallible Pro Matte Liquid Lipsticks. Ooh, so these are Le Chocolat nudes, so hence the little chocolate box packaging. Oh my gosh, you guys. They're in like little like papery cups, like little chocolates. Ooh, it's kind of making me hungry. So these are 6 shades and they are supposed to be intense matte pigment liquid lipsticks that offer a smooth, full coverage that doesn't smudge. Are they gonna smell? Oh my. Thought I was hungry before. Oh my goodness. Live swatch time. So this is the shade Candyman. Ooh, that went on really nice. And that's a really pretty color too. I love that. Okay, I mean that is one, you watched it guys, that's one swipe. That is gorgeous. I love that color. Sweet Tooth right here. A really, really, really nice nude. Dose of Cocoa. This is Bittersweet. This is Boxo Chocolate. I mean, look how those go on. They go on really, really beautifully. And lastly, we have 70% Yum. Wow. So it's coming across pretty deep on camera, but it is definitely like a chocolatey color. So I know that I need to really test these out on the lips, but I like the color selection. I think it's nice. I think there's some really wearable shades in here too. And the smell is amazing and the swatches went on beautifully. So this one just came today from BH Cosmetics. I've been loving a lot of the BH Cosmetics products lately. So this is the Summer Oasis collection. So this looks like a really fun collection, you guys. There are a bunch of bronzers. So there's 3 bronzers. Like rose gold packaging. Ooh, so that one's light. This looks like it would be really nice for fair skin. I might actually give that one a go. So this is Golden Gal, Bronze Babe, a little bit deeper. Probably too deep for me. Maybe I could get away with contouring with this one. And this is the deepest. This is Cocoa Cutie. So I like that they have 3 different shades. I like that a lot. So I'm gonna give Golden Gal a shot quick. know if you'll be able to see it because I already have a couple bronzers on. But I feel like you can see that. It's pretty. It's a pretty color. So I like that. I think it gives a really nice, soft, natural color. I'm digging it. I'm digging that. All right. We also have this Duo Light Highlight 9-color palettes. This is crazy. This is really cool, actually. So this is just a whole palette full of shimmery duochrome shades. You even have some like greens and purples over here. As far as pigmentation goes, that looks nice. And this peachy one called Top It Off. Ooh, my goodness. This one is really, really gorgeous. So it's like a peach with a gold duochrome. So this pink one here, Top Notch, does not come across pink when you swatch it at all. It's just like a light gold. It's definitely not your run-of-the-mill unicorn themed highlight palette. It's definitely more based on the duochrome. So what you see may not be necessarily what you get. It's kind of like a little box of tricks. I like that. And then here we have the Desert Oasis eyeshadow palette. So this is 19 color shadow and highlighter palette. I don't want to go through and swatch every single thing because we'll never get through this video, but it does look like very pretty colors and just like really kind of shimmery foiled shades. And they did actually include a great selection of mattes to pair with all these colors. So there are these two warmer like transition crease colors, and then there's a light matte highlight shade, love that, and also sort of this rusty coral color down here, and then like a deep cooler brown. The collection also includes a bunch of these liquid linen long lasting lip colors, and I'm not going to go through and swatch every single one of these just because I just did all those other lip swatches, but as you can see, the colors look really nice. There's a couple like brighter reds. For the most part, they're like really nice nudes, really earthy, very deserty type shades. Okay, so Laura Mercier sent me this cute little makeup bag, and it was filled with some of their new blushes, which these have me really excited. It says, Dear Allie, the new Laura Mercier Blush Color Infusion blushes are rich in pigment and have 10-hour wear. 10 tempting shades come in 2 formulas, soft matte and pearl sheen. Ooh, pretty. So this one here is called Strawberry. Really, really nice too. Little touch, I know, but like soft close, compact, very nice. This one is called Ginger. I feel like I'm going to absolutely love this color. Oh, I love this. I am a ginger at heart, so gotta love that one. This one is Chai, so it's kind of like more of a pinky nude. And then she sent along this, oh, as I dip my whole finger in it, this cheek color brush. I have really been enjoying Laura Mercier brushes lately. Typically I would say, okay, expensive brushes are great, but you can find some amazing ones from like Becca Cosmetics, or, you know, some great inexpensive brushes. But honestly, the Laura Mercier brushes I have been using are phenomenal. So one of my favorites is their highlighting fan brush. Okay, I can't get the top off this thing. So I feel like the formulas they sent me were the soft matte, which I am excited about. So, okay, so typically I wouldn't use a brush like this for blush just because it's a little bit more flatter and dense, but it actually is soft enough that it works pretty well. And this color is, again, this is Ginger. That is really pretty, you guys. So again, it is more of like a nude color, but I feel like that went on pretty nice and smooth. I'm very impressed by that. This is the new Matte Velvet Skin Lifelike Full Coverage Non-Cakey Matte Finish 24-Hour Wear Breathable Oil-Free Foundation from Makeup Forever. So the thing that struck me immediately about this, it comes in 40 shades, you guys. 40 shades. And look at the spectrum. That's what we want to see. So that is amazing. They sent me 3 that they thought would match my skin tone, and these look like they will be a pretty good match. A foundation brush, and then the Step 1 Hydrating Primer. So let me know down below if you guys want to see a review on this foundation. I haven't done a foundation review in a long time, so let me know if you would like to see that. Ooh, I think I know what this is. So this is from Neutrogena. It is the Wipe of the Month Club. I think it's actually the July delivery. So Neutrogena is so incredibly generous. They send a big box of what looks like this month. They sent some of their masks as well. Radiance Boost Brightening one, the Deep Clean Purifying one, and then this is the Hydro Boost. I love the entire Hydro Boost line. They're so generous. They always send a big box of makeup wipes. I have been loving these. The calming ones, I actually literally have them right here. I've been using them to take off the swatches. They just have an amazing scent. It's not too heavily lavender. I don't even know if it is lavender. I'm not a big lavender person. So thank you so much. Thank you so much, Neutrogena. I honestly could not live without these makeup wipes. And then, this is so sweet of them. Okay, so they also sent a dream catcher. Oh, guys. I know where this is going. In the baby's room. Look how cute. Or maybe I'll actually just keep it in here. It kind of goes with my color scheme. This is really, really cool. Thank you so much, Neutrogena. That is really, really sweet. Okay, and this is gonna be our last one. Our last one for today. I still have a bunch more boxes to open up, but I feel like this is just gonna be an insanely long video if I keep going. So, Ricky loves Ricky. Ooh, yeah. One of these mini lighted vanity mirrors with Bluetooth selfie function. Oh wow, you clip your phone in the center of it and it creates like a ring light effect. This kind of brings me to a little glam room update. I am planning, I'm gonna do a room tour very soon. I'll do the tour before I actually do this little project that I'm about to tell you guys about, but I want to do like built-in. I want to like do built-ins in this whole little nook back here, honestly, but just to start off, I'm going to do the bottom with really big, nice, again, I love soft clothes. I'm going to do like really big makeup drawers back there. I'll still keep my IKEA ones and everything, but something that really actually is taller, fits the space with a nice counter on it, and those are just like IKEA drawers that are shoved back in. But I'm kind of debating whether or not to get rid of my light up mirror. I know I like it, but I actually never ever use it to do my makeup ever. Like I don't think I've ever once used the lighting because the bulbs that I have kind of give off a weird color. I know you can switch out the bulbs. I don't know, I have an idea back there. In the meantime, I want to do shelves up top and do like maybe a different kind of mirror that I have an idea about. I'm not sure, I don't know. Maybe I'll end up keeping it, who knows, we shall see. So this is pretty fun. So that is the mirror and it has a bunch of buttons down here. Not really sure what, okay, that's brighter, really bright. So I'm definitely gonna have to play around with that, but thank you very much, Glamcore, for sending this mirror. Okay guys, so that is it. I'm gonna wrap up this video before I break any more nails from opening boxes, but I really hope you enjoyed this. I feel like unboxings are fun because it kind of gives you a sneak peek at the new makeup launches and new products that are coming out, and it's kind of like Christmas morning vibes. So thank you guys so much for checking it out. If you did enjoy this video, make sure you subscribe and hit that little bell notification button before you leave. I think that's everything that I had to tell you guys for today. Yeah, I think that's everything. So I love you guys so much. I hope you're having an amazing day, and I'll see you very soon in my next video. Bye!